Hey techies, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how you can run auto run task macros. So like kind of how Tasker, how it can record your taps and your swipes on your phone on any application. Well, Samsung has a built-in one now, which is pretty dope. So first and foremost, you need to go on your shop on Samsung, okay? And you need to download an app called Good Lock, okay? And then once you go to Good Lock, you're gonna want to download Good Lock, and Good Lock here is gonna have a bunch of applications, and one of the applications in Good Lock is going to be Routines Plus, okay? So you're gonna need to download Routines Plus here, and once you download Routines Plus, install it, update it, and then yeah, we'll move on to the next steps here. All right, so once you're into Routines Plus, you're going to see Run a Touch macro. So this starts the routine to trigger a series of touch actions, which means if you do this, then it's going to do that, right? So let's say you want to do a touch macro, okay? So that means it's going to run a series of events. So it's going to record what you want to do, right? So you have to go to add here, and you're going to add the app where you want to do it to. Okay, I'm gonna search up misplay and we're gonna do that, okay? Okay, so I typed in misplay here. I'm gonna type that, I'm gonna hit next, okay? And as you can see, you have record, play, hide, close to the left of you, okay? You can actually move this around, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record, okay? I'm gonna shut down, I'm gonna hit let's go, I'm gonna scroll up, I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. And I'm gonna swipe this right. I'm gonna swipe this left. Okay, I'm gonna hit stop. I'm gonna hit save. Okay, I'm gonna type in here misplay. Okay, so it says repeat one time. You can repeat it as many times as you want to here, which is pretty dope. So I'm gonna hit save. Okay, and then now I have a series that I can do here. Okay, and you can click there and hit play at any point in time. So you can go back out here and you can check out all of your macros that you want to set up here on your Routines Plus. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. I'm going to run a touch macro. Okay, I'm going to go to the misplay one that we have here. I'm going to hit play. Okay, it opened up misplay here. All right, now okay, so it messed up there by a little bit, but as you can see, it does take some trial and error, okay? But yes, there you go. It did an automation touch macro like it was supposed to. Now, granted, it did it sketchy, but it is what it is. You can always go back on here, go to edit, and try. Wait, I don't. Okay, actually, no. You'll go back on here, delete it, and then do another one. So yeah, just keep doing it over and over again. Don't finalize like me. Go back and add it. Go back to the app. Run the actual automation again, and then keep trying it and trying it. But it's cool that now Samsung has Routines Plus on here that allows us to do it, because beforehand Tasker and other applications we would have to use, but with Routines Plus we're able to do so now, and we're able to have touch macros where it's going to follow us and run the routine to trigger the actual effects. So yeah, if this helped, definitely like, subscribe, comment, share it to all your friends. Let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.